Good afternoon everybody. Today I'm back with a delivery day video. Can't really call this an unboxing video because it's not actually in a box. So we'll call it an unpackaging video. I know what this is today, and what it is my new gaming LED backlit keyboard. So let's crack on and get this thing unpackaged. Let's get straight into it. Actually in the sitting room today, so the parrots shouldn't bother us too much. Noisy little buggers. So what we have here is a gaming keyboard from eBay, a cheap one. So as I was saying, it's a cheap keyboard. It was £11.99. Very cheap. I'm not expecting the best quality for that price. I have always used cheap keyboards in the past. Used cheap keyboards for over 20 years, never had a problem with them. I certainly wouldn't be spending £100, £150 on a keyboard. The only reason I bought this keyboard was for the LED backlighting. I often use my computer late at night in the dark, and it can be a bit of a twat trying to type in the pitch black. So the only reason I bought this keyboard was basically because it was backlit. No other reason than that. This keyboard is USB. It's also a basic multimedia keyboard. It is also waterproof. Not that I will be testing its waterproof capabilities out. So I'll just give you a little pan across the box. Bring it right in closer so you can see the box. I will put the item number for this keyboard in the description box below. But let's unbox the keyboard. Right. Actually, before we unbox it, we will show you the back of the box. Give you a bit of information rather than me reading everything that is on the back of the box. It's much easier just to zoom in and show you, and you can pause the video. There's the technical parameters if you're interested. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's crack on with the actual unboxing. So we have an instruction manual. Not that we'll need that. That can go straight on the floor. I'll throw that in the bin later. keyboard comes packaged in a plastic wrap. Let's take that off. Let's get rid of the box. Throw that away. Here we have the keyboard. Just put the legs up. So if we start at the left of the keyboard, see the multimedia keys along the top. We have the logo, the manufacturer at the top. I believe it's their logo. Some more multimedia keys as we get to the right, as well as your standard everyday keyboard keys. We have some LED lights at the top left hand, and that is going to indicate probably caps lock. I can't really see from here. Let's just tighten the camera up so I can have a look and read them out to you. Yes, we have the num lock, caps lock and scroll lock. As I said earlier, I'm not expecting anything from this. As long as it lights up and the buttons work, that's all that is going to matter to me. So yes, I mean, the next thing to do is to actually plug it in. In fact, before I do that, I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to get my tape measure and I'm going to find out the length of that cable for you. So if you just bear with me a second and I will be back. Right, I've just measured the length of the cable and it is a little over 5 foot in length. I have connected the keyboard to my laptop. As you can see, it is lit up. Now I'm just going to turn my desk lamp off. In fact, we'll do that now. And wow, as you can see, I don't know what you guys are going to be able to see this like. I'm going to shoot this section here at 1080p, 50 frames a second, and I will upload this to YouTube in the best possible quality I can do it. So as you can see, it is showing blue LED at the minute. It's not just the keys that light up. Just try and take that in. The sides also light up. The bottom, little bits of plastic also light up as well. So does the left hand side. But I'll just take that in. Just trying to take that in as far as I can before it starts to lose focus. And that's going to be it. I'll just give you a pan across the keyboard. And do this nice and slowly to reduce any possibility of blurring. Back up, take it along the top of the keyboard. But now I didn't know this when I bought the keyboard, but it has a little added benefit of 2 additional features. Now if I remember rightly, if you press the function button, and the SL button at the top, we change colour. So we have blue, red, which I am really liking the red. Press it again, we have a purple colour. So you're getting 3 colours. Let's give you a close up on the red. I noticed the caps lock key, etc., that didn't change to red, but the rest of it did. Let's go and get one on the purple. So you press the function key, SL, to take us to purple. I have to say, red looks like my favourite colour so far. Let's just take you in for a close-up of the purple. This isn't probably going to do any justification on this camera shot. It really is quite bright. You're not going to have any trouble. I've got all the curtains shut in this room. I've tried to make it as dark as possible. And another function what I found is you can actually dim the light down. You press your function key, arrow down, brightness minus, and you tap it. 1, 2. So you actually have 3 levels of brightness: high, medium, and low. We're on high at the minute. Medium, low, and off. So you can switch the backlight off through the day if you don't require it. Just put that back on to high. Blue colour, we're actually on blue, high LED. Bring the brightness down so you can see. So we have high, medium, low, and off. Put the light back on. Take you to the last colour, which was red, and my favourite colour. High, sorry, that wasn't high, come back on at low. So we have low, medium, and high. So there we have it. That is the review of the budget gaming keyboard from eBay. £11.99 delivered. And you can't argue with that. As I say, I do a lot of gaming. I have always used the cheapest possible keyboards I could ever get my hands on in the past. And the only reason I bought this keyboard was because I wanted a backlit keyboard. And now I have one. So I'll pop a bit of information in the comments box below. Put the item number in. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. And if you do like the keyboard, then why not treat yourself to one? £12 delivered. I mean, it must have cost at least £3. That's been generous. £3 to come by Royal Mail. The bag that they packaged it in, say 20p. The listing fee the seller had to pay. So I would assume that whoever's selling these keyboards is probably getting them for a £5 a pop and selling them for £11.99. You cannot complain at the price. It's a nice keyboard. So I hope this video has helped you if you were looking for a review on this keyboard. And I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.